Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use Vanilla Giftcard at Walmart. In order to use Vanilla Giftcard at Walmart, it is the same procedure as how you use rest of the other gift card. So it is just a way of using it as a way of payment method. So what you need to do is first of all open up a browser and then log in into your Walmart account. So type in walmart.com and log into your account. So first of all select the product that you want to purchase. So you'll need to select the product and then add it to your. So for now I'm just gonna select a random product and add the product to my cart. Once the product is added to the cart, tap on the cart located in the top right hand side corner. Now it's gonna direct you to the checkout page. If you're sure about the product, click on continue to checkout in the top, and over here you'll be able to find the information such as your billing address and all that. Once done entering your billing address, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find payment method, and as soon as you click on the payment method, you'll be able to see list of options such as you can either pay it with your MasterCard, debit card, your credit card, all sort of details. And to redeem your gift card, you need to tap on your gift card button, entering your card details such as your card number, PIN, the security code, and then name on the card and all that. Once done entering the information, click on the continue button. Next page, it's gonna ask you to confirm it by entering the information, and if the card seems to be valid enough, then you'll be able to receive a certain amount of discount on that particular product. So that's basically how you can use or redeem your Vanilla gift card on Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.